Okay, here let's talk about the trim panel. A trim panel is the place they're making two kind of editing. That's a ripple edit and rolling edit. And as the two in here, there's the ripple edit tool and the rolling edit tool. For the ripple edit tool, as you check it in here, you adjust the input or the output on the clip here. Here you adjust the outgoing frame on this clip, and when you release it, all the clip on the right side they move to close the empty space. That's the ripple edit. And if you adjust the incoming frame on this clip, you change the duration on this clip, and when you release it, all the clip in here get to close on this area. That's a ripple edit. And how about the rolling edit? As the two here, rolling edit tool. If you click on here, they will both change the in point and out point, or you can call this the outgoing frame or the incoming frame on this clip, the adjacent clip here. At the same time, the total duration have been keeping no change, only on the clip in point and out point they change, like this. Another one in here, if you want, you can use the trim panel to make up this kind of editing. And in the trim panel, they have more options, and somehow they have much easier than, and for some position for editing the incoming frame, outgoing frame on the adjacent clip here. And here, before I show you open a trim panel here, you just click select a target track before trimming. Yes. Before you can perform open a trim panel, you have to select a track here. So the trim panel, they will know which file, which clip for trimming. Like this one, in a multiple track here, if you have not select track, they don't know which track you are going to trimming. If you select this one, so they know this the clip in here in this track you are going to trim it. So this one you have to select a track before you open the trim panel. In here I select both video and audio. If you want, you can just select a video or just select the audio here. But here I select both because I am going to edit both of them. Even you select any one of them, if you make it as the rolling edit here, the audio have been changed at the same time. And here I just select both. And here I select the tracks here and click trim button here. This will open the trim panel. Here, this is the trim panel. Like my screen resolution, that's too small for the screen capture, so I put it in here. That's not show me all the options in here. Of course, if you have a bigger screen resolution, so you can put the trim panel in the place you want, like this, docking it into the together with the source panel and effects control panel. Like this one, I will bring it up, hold down the control key and drop on the edge here. So this bring up the trim panel, and I expand it, enlarge it here, so I can see the trim panel and the program panel here. Maybe you don't need to check on here. And the trim panel, as I say, let's perform a ripple edit, and it outgoing frame here for the ripple edit, incoming frame on here for the ripple edit, or rolling edit. You adjust both the outgoing frame or the out point, the incoming frame or the in point on the clip here, left click, right click. Here, this is the current time indicator showing you the clip you are going to perform. And I move in here so you can see here. And have this the outgoing frame for this clip here, the outgoing frame, the out point. This window show you the incoming frame, the in point on this clip. So In the trim panel, they show you both the clip here, so you can check it, adjust the outgoing frame on this clip, the incoming frame on this clip. So you can look at here and adjust the clip here, or you look at here and adjust the clip here, or if you want to adjust both the outgoing frame on this clip and the incoming frame on this clip, so you can perform a rolling edit. Both the outgoing frame, incoming frame have been changed at the same time. And of course, there's some more options. More than that, you perform on with the ripple edit and rolling edit too. In here, they have the screen. They show you the outgoing frame, incoming frame, and they show you the duration. The duration for the clip in here, and the duration here for the clip in here. And here, here you see the icon, the outgoing frame on here, the incoming frame on here. This the title for the clip, and here this the current time indicator on the time ruler. And as you perform a rolling edit, all the number here have been changed. Okay, here you can see the number here. And if you perform a rolling edit, here you see all the title change. And here that the out shift, that's the how many frames for the output point on this clip have been made. Here they have the minus 23 frames. That means they have moved the out point to the right side, change it. And here for the insert for the incoming frame for this clip, that means they increase the duration, move the in point to the left side, so they making this the duration longer. And this clip for here shorter, here minus plus how many frames I have just make it. And here they have some button here. First I talk about here this one, go to preview edit point, or if you want you can use the page up in your computer as the keyboard shortcut. And here you click here, they jump to this edit point, and here same thing, go to next edit point, paste down in the keyboard, go to here, click again, go to here, click again, go to here, click again, go to here. Yeah. So you can perform ripple edit and rolling edit at any edit point in here. And for the ripple edit, if you click on the frame here, they have a sign bar here on the bottom on the top here. That means this the outgoing frame you are going to edit it. So if you want, you drop on the frame here to move the output here on the clip here. After you move it, the duration, total duration change. The clip here, or the clip on the right side move to the right side, or you shorter made this, so all the frame move into the left side here. This is the ripple edit. And of course, as you do, you look at this frame and adjust the clip here. This outgoing frame for the next frame will appear here. And same thing if you click here, or if you drop on the frame here, so you perform a ripple edit on the incoming frame on this clip. That is, if you drop on to the right side, you may make the clip here shorter. If you drop on the left side, you increase the duration on the clip here. As you adjust the incoming frame, the in point and out point on this clip here. And here they have the number here. They perform the -1, that means move the clip to the left side. And here +1, that means move the select outgoing frame or the out point, or you select here in point or incoming frame. The number here is depend on the frame you select it. Another one, if you select the outgoing frame on the clip here, you perform move move the out point, the outgoing frame to the right side, increase 5 frame for the duration. So you click it, so you move it. Same thing if you want to decrease the duration on this clip, you click on here, move it to the right side, 5 frame at a time, or 1 frame at a time, to the right side. And here the number, if you want, you can make it here for the multiple for the clip here. For example, if you enter 2, you click here, that means they make 2 frame. If you click here, that means they move the frame 10 frame. No, something wrong. Let's check it. Something wrong. What's this number used for? I don't know. Maybe for some reason. If you know, can you tell me? And okay, here for the clip here, same thing. If you click on the middle, like the cursor change as the rolling edit. And when you select here, both the outgoing frame and incoming frame selected, so you perform to move the outgoing frame to the right side and the incoming frame to the right side. So that means increase the duration on this clip and decrease the duration on the right clip here. That's the rolling edit. You can drop on the center here from the center, so you can change the outgoing frame, incoming frame. And as the rolling edit, the total duration have not been changed, only the frame you change it on the clip, left and right clip. And here they have the drop view, so you can drop the view here, the center view, perform the rolling edit, and the right view in here, perform a ripple edit for the right clip. And here the clip name, the left clip name, and here right clip name. And this is almost how you use the trim panel to perform a ripple edit on here, left clip, right clip, rolling edit on here, both clip. And if you want, you can click here, take it back to 0 here, like this. If you want to make it back to 0, you can make it here. And if you want, like this, if you check it here, okay, I perform here, and I want to go to here, the preview edit point, and adjust the outgoing frame and incoming frame on here, so you can perform this like this. And if you want, click here, and here you see no frame showing you, because this the no frame on the left side, only the frame. You can perform the incoming frame on this clip, so they just show you the screen in here. So you perform ripple edit in here, only the ripple edit. And same thing as you move it to the side in here, so no frame showing you in here, because the right side here no frame, no clip here. So in here you can perform a ripple edit on this clip, and you click here. And here more about this save margin, so you can click to enable to check it. Maybe you don't need to check it, that's okay. If you want, you can enable it. And here that the option looping, and here this the play edit, that means play the edit from the preload time and post roll time, that you set it in here 2 seconds for the preload time, 2 seconds to the post roll time. In here in second, if you change it 1 second in here, okay, just leave in 2 seconds. In here, that means when you click on the play edit button, so they play from preload time 1 second to post roll time 2 seconds in here. Let's check it. So You see the cutting in here. Maybe you don't see this. We can get closer. You can see. Okay, the CTI don't move in here, but actually they showing you in here. Below time 1 second, post all time 2 seconds here, so you can check it. Is that correct? That's what you want for the edit point in here, so you can close it. If that's not the frame, you check in here. You can edit it again. And here is the looping. If you enable here, they will looping again and again, again and again like this. He stop it. Okay, this is almost how you use the trim panel for perform a ripple edit and rolling edit in the clip here. And more about this, if you select the video chat in here, you see there's some option for the audio viewing. This is the same thing. This is another kind of viewing on the clip here. Other one is for audio editing. They show you this button toggle adjacent audio waveform. If you click here, they show you the adjacent waveform on the audio clip here. In here, that means they show you the inside the clip here. They show you input here, output in here. They show you. If you click it, disable it, they show you the handle phase. That means the handle phase. This is the input on the audio clip, and they also show you the handle before the input, the waveform on here before the input on the clip here, and same thing for here, the output show you here, and always show you this area, the handle frame. And for the using on the option here, if you draw on here, so you adjust the input and output on the clip, the adjacent clip for the audio. That is, you adjust the input or incoming frame on the clip here. If you adjust it at the center, here you see they both move the outgoing frame, the outgoing audio and incoming audio as a rolling edit here. If you enable here, this will display as for the video display. They just show you the incoming audio here and outgoing audio here with the handle frame on the left side and right side for the clip here and for the clip here. This is the way you can toggle on, and you can check it. Maybe that's not easy to understand as I do it at the first time. I don't know what's the difference from here and here. And perform the function here, that's the same thing. If you draw on here, so center rolling edit, only the title here for ripple edit on this clip, ripple edit on this clip. So this is the way they show you both the video and audio. So in here, I click again back to the frame here. And this is very useful if you, as I do mostly, I just as a right cut, I just put one by one, and sequentially play the clip on the highlight here on the sequence here, and then I open the trim panel. I just use the tool. This okay. This is the fade will be the outgoing fade on this file, and this for the incoming fade. Okay, here. So I perform the ripple edit, and for the rolling edit, I don't do that much. For the rolling edit, I do a lot on ripple edit using the trim panel, and this is all depend on what you want to do. If you want to perform rolling edit, you can do it. If you want, you can perform ripple edit, up to you. And here they have the button here, this call +5, -5. If you want, you can change for the preference in trim option here. Here the option, if you want, by clicking on here the larger trim offset. If you want, you can change 15. So you click here to move 15 frame, and here plus 15 frame to the right side. Click here, move the 15 frame to the left side. That's the preference for the trim panel. And this is all for the trim panel. You can use that for your editing.